Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue from our last part. We're going to write the legal descriptions. I have already write this down and translated for you. We're not going to stick to that though. That's text. And it differs from country to country. We're going to add the title block, we're going to create the grid line ticks with the crosses, and we're going to print. And in the part 3, we're going to create something like that. It's a stakeout map with a stakeout report that has coordinates for the points. So let's go to our drawing now. Here I have decided to do some adjustments. I have created a center line, and I have import the corner pin block. We're going to add that to the legend to be more smoother and clarify our lines and our colors. So select the legend and group. Create a line, a red line, offset 2, 2. That's the distance I prefer. You can do your own as you like. Create 2 lines here to continue our legend. Select that red line, don't need that. Extended line. Change the color here to white. Move that to the bottom. Somewhere here. Contour major, that's a mistake. That line should have a line weight. So let's change that. That line, it's a contour minor, shouldn't have a line weight. Easy. Now offset that line. 2. Change the color to red. Change the line type to center x2. The scale 0.35 to be visible. Select the text, copy it with a base point, rename it road center line. That's a corner pin vertices. Group that. Let's change now the name of the property owner. The prospector, sites, survey site, parcels. Select the parcels. Here in the property, I have set a user-defined property classification. Check what happens. the others, the neighbors, are unknown. That's sensitive data. So that's fine. Here I have labeled the building, the distances. So let's do that. I will show you that. Select line and curve, multiple segments, distance only, add. Select the polyline, escape, close this, select them, flip the labels. So far so good. Let's now create the grid lines. With that, move it somewhere here, scale it, half size. Let's group that. Let's array rectangular. 25 by 25. One more row. Okay. Let's circle here. Let's go with 1 and drop decimals. So I will move that. Okay, that's fine. Nice. So copy this. Can array this also. Array rectangular 5 5. Okay. Select that array and explode. Select similar. Select the circles and move them to a different layer. Okay. Now we're going to create two lines again. 1, the length is 1. Again selected array, this time path array, select the red polyline, that's why we created, select 25, enter 25, let's see, we have one more, not a problem, select, explode, delete. Again here, let's create, I don't need the nearest, one, select array, path, select the line, polyline, here, 25. Let's check that, and it's fine. Close the array. Now let's add the text. Select the center here. Control C, Control V. Change the text height. Select again. I will show you how you can do that with the fields. So here, let's copy that. Same here. Change the specification. Right. We're going to change that again. It's not a big of a deal. Change the justification here to middle left. Rotate. Copy it. Now here, select the text, select all, add the field. For the field, select objects, select the select object, and select the circle here. Go to center. As you see, we have a coordinates. We don't need the X and the Z, we don't have Z. We only need the X and the 0 precision to drop the decimals. Nice. Let's verify it. Same here. Select the circle, center, and for that I want the X, and OK. Select again the field, select object, select our circle, center, I want the X, okay, close. It takes some time, but it's more smoother, I think, and more precise, because it reads the information from the circle, the center of the circle. Same here, select the text field, select the center, change it center, select the Y, okay. Insert the field, select the circle, center of the circle, select text field, select center, the Y, nice. So delete those lines, and if you don't want the circles, create a layer. I have already created a layer, so very nice. It's looking much smoother, much precise. So here now let's create a box for our text. Let's add the observations here. Instructions, rules above. Statement of the surveyor here. The owner statement that clarifies that that declares that the boundaries are the one that he showed us in the field. Let's add some lines. Here I have a title block. I will print the title block inside the viewport. You can put it if you want in the here. Let's go to the field, check OK. I don't know why it doesn't refresh sometimes. If you want, you can select your own title block and put it in the paper space next to the viewport and print it. I like that way. Let's make this small. So I'll move that to the top. The rest here. let's say something like that. That's nicer. Now our drawing's ready. I'm not gonna bother you with legislation, technical legislation, but that's the workflow. Now let's go to our paper space here. Select the viewport. Let's move it to layer viewport. Close the layer. And let's go to the page setup manager. I think everything's fine. And now the final part. Nice. That's our drawing. Here we can see the line weight. So that's for today. Oops. I will post part 3, not the part 2, as shown here, next week with stakeout map. And the next series will be stockpile volume. And I'm thinking to do a grading surface series. I think it will be only one video that. I will show you the basics, and that's all. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.